Hi, Shanda here, bringing you one song a day this 2025. It's my first day, and I'm really excited to take on this journey. And here's to persevering until December 31, 2025. Today, I'm starting with the timeless classic Umagang Kay Ganda, originally sung by Ray Ann Fuentes and Tilly Moreno in 1979. It was written by Annabel Lee, Babes Conde, Butch Montserrat, and Greek Orteleza. This song has been performed by many artists and featured in numerous programs because of its uplifting message. Here's why. That is why it is the perfect choice to kick off my pledge this year. Halika na. Isa pa, take two. Halika na. Pumikit limutin ang problema. Hihintayin ang umaga. Magpahinga. Panaginip ang ikaliligaya. Darating din ang umaga. Basta tayo'y magkasama, laging mayroong umagang kay ganda. Pagsikat ng araw, may dalang liwanag sa ating pangarap. Oh, haharapin natin. Gumising na, araw ng pag-asa'y narito na. Dumating din, haharapin natin. Basta tayo'y magkasama, laging mayroong umagang kay ganda. Pagsikat ng araw, may dalang liwanag sa ating pangarap. Oh, haharapin natin. Haharapin natin. Haharapin natin. Thank you for listening and for joining me on this journey. May this song inspire you to face every day with hope and joy. Happy New